Farming for the climate. A new agricultural revolution. Agriculture, the foundation of human civilization, is undergoing a transformation. This transformation is not just about technology or yield, but about sustainability and resilience. The age-old practice of tilling the soil and harvesting crops is evolving to confront a pressing global challenge: climate change. Farmers are now at the forefront of this battle, adapting age-old techniques to modern needs. Carbon farming emerges as a beacon of hope, a novel approach that not only produces food, but also combats climate change by sequestering carbon in the soil. This method enhances soil health and boosts crop yields. Traditional farming practices often release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect. This not only depletes soil health, but also accelerates climate change. Carbon farming, in contrast, aims to reverse this process. By planting cover crops and reducing tillage, farmers can capture carbon in the soil. It's a holistic approach that views the farm as an ecosystem, recognizing the interconnectedness of soil health, plant growth, and carbon sequestration. Healthy soil is rich in organic matter and teeming with life. By adopting carbon-friendly practices, farmers become stewards of the land and climate. They play a crucial role in mitigating climate change while ensuring food security. This shift in mindset, from extraction to regeneration, is at the heart of carbon farming. It's about nurturing the land for future generations. It's about recognizing that healthy soil teeming with life is the foundation of a healthy planet. The future of farming lies in this regenerative approach, ensuring a sustainable and resilient agricultural system. Carbon farming encompasses a range of techniques, each designed to maximize the capture and storage of carbon in the soil. These methods not only help in reducing atmospheric carbon dioxide, but also improve soil fertility and resilience. One such technique is no-till farming, which minimizes soil disturbance by avoiding plowing. This practice helps maintain soil structure and moisture, making the land more productive over time. This simple yet effective method reduces carbon release and promotes soil health. By keeping the soil intact, it fosters a thriving ecosystem of microorganisms that are crucial for plant growth. Cover crops, another pillar of carbon farming, are non-cash crops grown between main crops or during fallow periods. They play a vital role in maintaining soil cover and preventing erosion. These cover crops, often legumes and grasses, prevent erosion, improve soil structure, and enhance nutrient cycling, all while sequestering carbon. They also suppress weeds and reduce the need for chemical inputs. Agroforestry, the integration of trees into agricultural systems, offers multiple benefits. This practice combines agriculture and forestry to create more diverse, productive, and sustainable land use systems. Trees act as carbon sinks, provide shade and windbreaks, and enhance biodiversity, further contributing to the overall health of the farm ecosystem. They also offer habitat for wildlife and can improve water retention in the soil. The benefits of carbon farming extend far beyond the boundaries of the farm, impacting both local and global environments. By sequestering carbon in the soil, carbon farming mitigates climate change, helping to stabilize our planet's climate system and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Healthy soil also acts as a sponge, absorbing and retaining water more effectively, which reduces runoff, prevents soil erosion, and improves drought resilience. For farmers, carbon farming offers a suite of economic and environmental benefits, enhancing both productivity and sustainability. Improved soil health translates into increased fertility and water retention, reducing the need for costly fertilizers and irrigation, and promoting more sustainable farming practices. Moreover, carbon credits generated through carbon farming practices can provide additional income streams for farmers, making it a financially viable option. Section 4. Global Success Stories: Carbon Farming in Action. Around the world, farmers are embracing carbon farming, demonstrating its potential to transform agriculture and combat climate change. In the American Midwest, farmers are increasingly adopting no-till farming and cover crops, witnessing firsthand the benefits of improved soil health and reduced erosion. In India, agroforestry systems are helping farmers diversify their income and enhance resilience to climate variability. By integrating trees into their farms, they create a more diverse and resilient ecosystem. Section 5. Overcoming hurdles, challenges and technological solutions. Despite its promise, carbon farming faces challenges. Upfront costs associated with transitioning to new practices can be a barrier for some farmers. Verifying and quantifying carbon sequestration accurately remains a complex task. Technological innovations offer solutions. Sensors and drones collect data on soil health and carbon sequestration, while artificial intelligence helps analyze and interpret this data. Blockchain technology is being explored to create transparent and secure carbon credit markets.